Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick video for a emergency security patch that is available for Windows 10 users. Now this patch will be available eventually to Windows 7 and 8 users also. What's happening is that if you're on Windows 7 or on Windows 8, it will be rolling out to your machine only on Patch Tuesday of next week. So that's very important to just remember that. You won't have it immediately. You'll have it only next week. Now, apart from that, you will also have if you're on Windows 10, you have the possibility to get this latest update, which is KB 405-6892. And basically, KB 405-6892 is the patch that fixes that CPU flaw. Now, maybe you've heard about this CPU flaw. It is a big flaw, and I'll have a secondary video about it because I want to elaborate a little more about this. So on this channel we'll have another one, but this one is specifically for Windows right now. So this flaw, of course, is a flaw that means that somebody, a bad guy, could actually pretty much do what they want on your PC using this flaw. It affects AMD, ARM, and Intel. So every operating system is actually, has problems with this. Every operating system is vulnerable. So that's very important. So anyways, there is a update. If it doesn't show up on your Windows 10 machine, don't force it, because it means there's an incompatibility with your machine. There are some known bugs with certain antiviruses. So if it doesn't show up, it means your PC is not compatible with it. So don't force it, but do check out your updates. If it's there, install it. KB 405-6892. If you're on Windows 10 Fall Creators Update, you'll be at 16299.192. And if you are on the Creators Update, you'll be at 15063.850. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.